No! You stay on there. Right, so a little bit of an update. I just got the Mini turned round, so now she's sat on the floor. No wheels or anything underneath her, no subframes, engine's out. Hey Paul, is it lower than yours now? Probably not. We had all these severe weather warnings, and this is it.
Is more like it.
Oh yeah. That's a bit of snow.
Now we've got the Mini on the floor, we're going to have a look at this passenger side sill and inner sill. One of the things with Minis is because they were cheap, they were fixed cheaply, and someone's previous repair involved just tacking in one of these cover inner sills. So my first job before I can start repairing is to cut through all these tack welds. Luckily there's not really not very many on there. There's a couple bits of seam welding on the step and a little bit of welding along here. So we've just got to chop that out. I'm just going to use a grinder with a cutting wheel and we'll get that chopped off. Then we can see the state of the floor underneath. Now I've cut through most of the welds. Gonna go at it with a hammer and a chisel. That's probably the best way to get it all off. There's that cover inner sill removed. Right, so here are the mysteries revealed. Same as the other side. Rear inner sill, not bad at all. There's a bit of a hole there. I don't know why they wouldn't just fix that. Strange. There's a hole there, there's a hole there, and there's a bit of a hole there. But at least now I know what's underneath there, so I can get on with it. Happy days.